Introducing the Exceed Classima 300. The Exceed Classima 300 is a flybarless, ready-to-fly brushless helicopter. Included in the box is a charger, toolkit, spare blades, a 1000 milliamp LiPo battery and balance charger. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz digital transmitter with a backlit LCD screen. The Classima 300 has a high-grade metal body that's extremely durable. With its unique flybarless design, it creates less drag and greatly increases the efficiency of flying. The Classima 300 also comes equipped with a 3-axis gyro system that will provide stability in every flight. For more information about the Exceed Classima 300, check us out at xheli.com.